Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So for each chocolate you're going to need 4 loops. So now what you're going to do, wear gloves when you're doing this because it can hurt your hands. So take your bottle, wrap your wire around it, grab it with a pair of pliers, and then just rotate the bottle. Make sure you've got your wires tied off nicely at the end. I'm just using the same measurement for all of them. So there I've got all my little wires all done, all cut out. And now we're going to take 4 of them together. And then just wind the wires together like that. So all of them on one wire. Now we're going to take some floristry tape and we're going to just tape this section. So once you've taped them all up, then what you want to do is you want to spread them apart. So you've got them going in the 4 directions. So like that, and then just take your thumb and pull them so that they elongate just a wee bit. And then we're going to just curve them over. So once again, just holding your thumb on it and just curving it. So you've got a little clamp like that to hold your chocolate in. So there's your chocolate, all held nicely in place. Then take some of the leaves off the plant that you're using, or the roses, or whatever flower that you're using, and put the chocolate in between the 3, and then just tape that together as well. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.